Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Friday, December 5th, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. All right, folks. So happy Friday. So we talked about this last week. Rob specifically mentioned actually this week on December 2nd that once we turn back here, the champion cross turn green here, here, right here is a opportunity that, the bias is to the upside, especially, when the hourly is giving you bullish signals. Okay. And so all week, I've been more biased to the upside in my day trading. Obviously, we can go in either direction, but when you have the daily and then the hourly in agreement, after the champion cross turning back to green, those are giving you higher probabilities. And the Heikin-Ashi algorithm as well has been bullish. Okay. So breaking that down, then, taking a look at the volume profile this morning in the WealthCharts live training room, what I brought up was so this the 930s where the line is right here. Okay, there was a very, very bullish Heikin-Ashi candle. I said if we break through the POC here, and at this point, then right around 945, we got another flat bottom Heikin-Ashi candle above the point of control that, hey, we're probably going to head higher at that point. And it was just a beautiful, beautiful opportunities with that. Again, in this case, the 5-minute chart, given this beautiful Heikin-Ashi formation. So then the execution for me, I had two really nice trades this morning. One a little bit like 950. You can see I put long here. Okay. So again, we look for this all the time. The move up initially, right? I don't trade the first 10 minutes of the open. Then we got the pullback. That's what I was waiting for. And then the entry where I put long here. And what did I like about that entry? Again, very consistent, right? Flat bottom Heikin-Ashi, yellow back to green. In this case, we also had a TRB cross, but look at this beautiful HADS, right? Extended rubber band effect, right? Getting a snapback and a Laguerre. So what I even mentioned in the WealthCharts live training room was that was my favorite setup. Obviously, nothing's ever guaranteed, but we had a really nice trade there, nice win. Then I look for the pullback again right here. Then another flat bottom candle, yellow back to green. Again, the same type of setup for trade number two. Okay, so trade number one, trade number two, both wins in the training room this morning, but it was a great, great educational day as well. Then we talked about towards the end on why not to take the trade. We started losing steam, and we were looking at that point probably for a reversal. All right, folks, hope that helps. Again, look forward to hopefully seeing you in the WealthCharts live training room on Monday. It'll start at 9:30 Eastern. Again, you can access that by clicking on the main menu, and then you go to Education Wealth Chart Events. Put that on your screen, and you can look at the calendar going into next week. So on the 8th, I'm sorry, on the 8th here, we've got me at 9:30. So 9:30 Eastern on Monday. Hope to see you all there. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care.